students, welcome in this video. It's me Dipendran Shrestha. Today I am here with the remaining part of light lesson of class 10 science. In previous video we have discussed up to magnification of lens. And today in this video we are going to discuss about the power of lens, relation, unit, similarly definition of one diopter, positive power, negative power, some numericals related to the power of lens, and then related to human eyes like accommodation of eye, near point, far point, range of distinct vision, similarly defect of vision, short-sightedness or myopia, far-sightedness or hypermetropia. These are the remaining part of light lesson, and these are very important. First part we have finished, that is related to the ray diagram, and second part we are going to discuss about the human eye, especially about the human eye. Okay, so first, power of lens. Okay, power of lens. Power of lens means actually capacity of converging or diverging the light rays by a lens. Capacity of converging or diverging. We have discussed convex lens converge the light rays, concave lens diverge the light rays. So this capacity of converging or diverging the light rays by a lens, that is called power of lens. Mathematically we defined it's a reciprocal of focal length of a lens. Reciprocal of focal length. Focal length means, have you remembered, focal length, distance between optical center to focus point. Distance between optical center to focus point, that is called focal length. And reciprocal of focal length of a lens is power of lens. So you can define any way. Okay, you can define any way. This is the very important 1 marks question. Define power of lens, define power of lens, like this. So power of lens means capacity of converging or diverging the light rays by a lens, or you can define reciprocal of focal length of a lens is power of lens. Anyway you can define reciprocal of focal length of a lens, that is called power of lens. So mathematically P equals to 1 by F, we say. P equals to 1 by F. Power of lens is reciprocal of focal length, and focal length is expressed in meter. Okay, expressed in meter. So power of lens means reciprocal of focal length of a lens. Very important question for your exam. Okay, power of lens means a reciprocal of focal length of lens, and its unit is unit of power of lens. Unit of power of lens is diopter. Okay, diopter, capital D, diopter. So unit or SI unit of power of lens is diopter. In exam may ask, define power of lens, or what is the unit of power of lens. So unit of power of lens is diopter, capital D. It can be expressed in radian per meter also. Radian per meter. In this unit also we can express the power of lens, but generally or usually we use diopter unit, D, capital D unit. Okay, and don't forget, relation between power of lens and focal length is inversely proportional to each other. It is a numerator part, it is denominator part, so they are inversely proportional to each other. You know meaning of inversely proportional to each other. P equals to 1 by F. So if the focal length of the lens is less, then power of lens will be high. If the focal length is more, then power of lens will be less. So reciprocal, just opposite relation. So don't forget, when the focal length decreases, power of lens increases. Okay, when the focal length decreases, power of lens increases, and vice versa. So this is power of lens, and unit is a diopter, we say. Then what is the meaning of one diopter? Okay, what is the meaning of one diopter? One diopter means, one diopter, power of lens, one diopter means, can you guess? How can you define one diopter power? One diopter power means power of lens having focal length 1 meter, because formula here is we have P equals to 1 by F. Yeah, 1 by f. If focal length is 1 meter, then it will be 1 by 1 means 1, so it will be the 1 diopter. Yeah, 1 diopter. That's why we say power of lens having focal length 1 meter is called 1 diopter. Power of lens having focal length 1 meter is called 1 diopter. Did you understand? Power of lens having focal length 1 meter is called 1 diopter power. Okay. Power of convex lens. Power of convex lens is positive because that has the real focus point. Convex lens has a real focus point and its power is expressed in positive terms. That's why positive power means that represents convex lens. Positive power means convex lens, power of convex lens. Don't forget. And negative power represents concave lens because concave lens has no real focus point. That's the virtual focus point. So power of concave lens is negative. Okay, negative power means concave lens. Negative power means concave lens. In your friends, in your home also somebody may use spectacles. At that time you can ask, yeah, what is the power of your glass or spectacles? Then you will get the answer. You'll get the answer minus 0.5 plus 1 like this way. Minus 0.5 means there is concave lens. Minus means negative means concave lens. That is the diverging lens. Okay, diverging lens. Similarly, plus 1 power, plus 1 means positive. Positive means convex lens. Okay, convex lens. Positive power means convex lens. There is convex lens. That is the converging lens. So in this way, we can identify whether the lens is concave or convex. If there is negative power, then we say concave lens. If there is positive power, then we say convex lens. Okay, convex lens. And related numerical problem, very short, easy numerical problem. Sometimes may ask with the definition. Single numerical problem won't ask. It is very short, that's why. But combining with the other definition term, other terms, a numerical may ask. For this purpose, you have to use the same formula. Okay, P equals to 1 by f. Like first numerical, let's say, calculate the power of lens having focal length (20 centimeter). Okay, this is question. Okay, calculate the power of lens having focal length 20 centimeter. Okay, so here solution. Focal length, small f, focal length equals to 20 centimeter. I have discussed already. Focal length should be in meter. SI unit of length is meter. So you have to divide by 100. So it will be 0.2 meter. Now power of lens P equals to what? So we know P equals to 1 by f. It means 1 by 0.2. It means 5 diopter. It means 5 diopter. You can write like this way, 10 by 2. It means 5 diopter. So 5 diopter is the power of lens. Okay, 5 diopter is the power of lens. And what type of lens is this? Can you say what type of lens is this? Here is nothing means positive. Positive means convex lens. So it is convex lens. Okay, it is convex lens. Similarly, next question. Calculate. Okay, a child is wearing spectacles of power minus 2.5 diopter. Calculate its focal length like this. Okay, a child is wearing a spectacles of power minus 2.5 diopter. Okay, minus, don't forget minus. So here solution, here power P equals to minus 2.5 diopter, and we have to calculate focal length F equals to 1. So we know P equals to 1 by F, then F equals to 1 by P. Yeah, interchanging F and P. So it will be 1 by minus 2.5. So what will be the result? Equals to it means 1 over 2.5. That means you can change it to centimeter also. So 100 centimeter by 2.5, it's in centimeter. Okay, after that it will be 40 centimeter minus, okay, don't forget minus 40 centimeter. Minus 40 centimeter is the focal length of the lens. Okay, minus 40 centimeter. So minus length cannot be expressed in negative form. Yeah, length cannot be expressed in negative form. Focal length is 40 centimeter. Negative sign represents concave lens. It is a diverging lens only. So negative sign represents concave lens and focal length is 40 centimeter. In this way we calculate the power of lens. So it is concave lens plus power is convex lens. Okay, did you get? So after this, about the human eye, we have to discuss human eye. In class 9 also you have read about the human eye. Human eye is the natural optical instrument, consists convex lens. Yeah, it is supported, this eye lens is supported by the ciliary muscle. Yeah, ciliary muscle helps to change the focal length of eye lens. Similarly, iris helps to determine the size of pupil. About this you have read in class 9. So here we are going to discuss directly about these points. But to see any object, light rays from the object enter into the eye. First of all through the pupil, cornea to pupil to eye lens, and through the eye lens image is formed at the retina. But at the retina, small and inverted image is formed. This image is connected with the optic nerves to brain, and brain again invert the image and we can see the erect image. About this now we will have to discuss. Only we are going to discuss about these points. Okay, accommodation of eye. Do you know what is the meaning of accommodation of eye? Accommodation of eye means we can see the near object also clearly. We can see the far object also clearly. Yeah, when you look the far distance, you can see clearly that building, yeah, trees, like this. And when you take any object on your hand, then you can see clearly. So our eyelids, this eyelids, natural eyelids, can change the focal length. To make image at the retina. Yeah, to make image at the retina. So this ability of eye to make the clear image of far or near object. Ability of eye to make the image of far or near object at retina. This is called accommodation of eye. Accommodation of eye. Okay, accommodation of eye means ability of eye, capacity of eye to make the clear image at retina. Okay, to make clear image at retina of far or near object. Far object also we can see, near object also we can see by changing the focal length of eye lens. So this is called accommodation of eye. So accommodation means ability of eye, capacity of eye to form clear image of far or near object at retina by changing the focal length of eye lens. This is called accommodation of eye. And already I have discussed, to change the focal length, ciliary muscle helps at that time. Okay, ciliary muscle helps to change the focal length of eyelids. So, near point. Okay, near point. What is near point? Near point means actually nearest distance from the eye. Nearest distance from the eye up to which we can see clearly without any strain. Nearest distance from the eye. Nearest distance from the eye up to which we can see clearly without any strain. You can say, I can see up to here. But it is wrong. If you look continuously this near point, you feel strain in your eye. You feel pain in your eye. Yeah, this is not near point. So near point is the nearest distance from eye up to which we can see clearly without any strain, any pain. That is the near point. And for the normal eye, near point is 25 centimeter. Okay, 25 centimeter. How much? 25 centimeter. So 25 centimeter is near point for normal eye, healthy eye. We can see nearer than 25 centimeter also, but if we look continuously, then we get strain, pain in the eye. That's why this is not a near point. So we have to maintain that distance or average distance up to where we can see clearly without any strain, and that is 25 centimeter we see for normal healthy eye. Similarly, far point. Far point means farthest distance from the eye up to where we can see clearly without any strain in the eye. Okay, farthest distance from the eye up to where we can see clearly without any strain in the eye. And you know, at night we can see star also. While looking from the roof, we can see Himalayan range also. We can see the far hill also. That means we can see any distance. Yeah, any distance. That's why we say far point is infinity. Infinity means not fixed. Okay, very far, very far. So infinite distance we say. Infinite distance. That's why far point means farthest distance from the eye up to where we can see clearly without any strain. And how much it is? It is infinity. That means no fixed length. We can see at any distance. That's why range of vision for normal eye, range of distinct vision of normal eye is 25 centimeter to infinity. Okay, from 25 centimeter to infinite distance we can see clearly by our human eye. Yeah, this is the range of distinct vision. So it is the first part, or you can say this is human eye first part, accommodation of eye, near point, far point, range of distinct vision we have discussed. So did you understand the matter? If you feel easy, if you feel comfortable, then remember, practice at home also. Okay, practice at home. In exercise, look what type of questions are given. If you have question bank of your brother, sister, then look what type of questions are given from this lesson and try to solve. If you have any confusion, any questions, then ask, inbox me, question. In messenger also you can ask. So for today, thank you.